welcome back inside the archives. I'm Angie, and this episode, it's a random unboxing. Literally, just picked a box off the shelf. Don't know what we're going to find inside, but it is on row 4. It's the size of a shoebox. I don't know if there's a pair of shoes in here or not, but oh, there's random items inside. Let's see what we find here. This is quite interesting. This is a receipt. It's a member's receipt for the American Guild of Variety Artists. It's dated October 3rd, 57 for Elvis. That's Colonel's address in Madison, Tennessee. And it was actually collected in the town of Miami. And the date joined isn't here, but it says date dues due 8/1/58 for $200. How interesting is that? That's kind of cool. We have a checkbook, National Bank of Commerce. Let's see what checkbook this is. Oh, it looks like it's a brand new checkbook, never used. Yep, here's check number 1 for the Presley rental account. Address is 3764 Highway 51 South. So that would date it pre to Elvis Presley Boulevard being called Elvis Presley Boulevard. So now this dates us back into the 60s, early 70s. I've never heard of this account. I think I have to go do some research on that to see what that one's about. And who doesn't collect random matchbooks? Let's see where this one is from. This one is from the Buena Vista Hotel in Biloxi, Mississippi. Wow. Elvis was in Biloxi on vacation with June Juanico. I wonder if this is where they stayed. Oh, look. Hotel or motel rooms. Largest pool on the coast. Beautiful dining room and restaurants. Plenty of free parking spaces. 100% air conditioned. Of course, that's important. TV in every room. Convention hall. Centrally located. It's the Buena Vista Hotel in Biloxi. Elvis even collect matchbooks. Let's see, what else randomness do we have in this box? This EP 153631. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is Vernon Presley's United Brotherhood of Carpenters and Joiners of America Dupa. It is actually, look, they still have a City of Tupelo address. Initiation fee was $50, and his birth date April 10th to 1916. This is dated September 9th, 1942. This is really awesome. How cool is that? Look, it even has Vernon E. Presley, $2, $2, and the people who received his dues so that he could keep up with his union dues. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Well, from another random box here in the archives, I hope you guys enjoyed this little look of this unboxing, and we hope to see you here at Graceland real soon. We are open, so book your tickets now at Graceland.com and come visit us. Bye.